Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to fix AMD error 182. Something went wrong. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you gotta go to your search bar and type down software update. Okay, now you gotta click on check for updates. Wait for it to load. And once it loads, make sure that you install all available updates. Okay, once it's all installed, don't restart your computer yet. You want to click on advanced options and then here click on optional updates and make sure that everything right here is installed as well. Okay, select all, click on download and install, and once that's done, restart the computer, and after that, check if it helps. Okay, if that still won't work, right click on your start menu, click on a device manager. Right here, you got to find display adapters. Now click on your AMD driver, right click on it, click on update driver, click on browse computer. Now I gotta click on let me pick, select your AMD signature and just hit on next. Your screen will flicker. Okay, don't worry about it, just click on close. Now restart your computer once more, and after that you're good to go. Well, I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.